This is the story of a sphere of death, forged in the heart of the atomic age. An object so dangerous, it killed men without ever being dropped. Welcome to the story of the Demon Core. Part 1. Birth of the Core. In 1945, at the height of the Manhattan Project, a third plutonium core was constructed. Its purpose? To be used in a third atomic bomb after Hiroshima and Nagasaki. But Japan surrendered before it could be deployed. That core, 3.5 inches in radius, weighing 14 pounds, never left the ground. Instead, it stayed at Los Alamos for experimentation. And that is where the nightmare began. Part 2. The first incident. August 21st, 1945, physicist Harry Daghlian was working alone, stacking tungsten carbide bricks around the core to reflect neutrons and test criticality. He accidentally dropped a brick, and in a flash of blue light, the room became a silent explosion of invisible death. Daghlian pulled the bricks away, saving the lab, but it was too late. He died 25 days later of acute radiation poisoning. He was 24. Part 3. The second incident. Less than a year later, May 21st, 1946, physicist Louis Slotin was demonstrating a dangerous technique. He placed two beryllium hemispheres around the core and held them apart with a screwdriver, but the tool slipped, the halves clamped shut. Another blinding flash. Slotin pried them apart, but again, the damage was done. He died 9 days later in agony. Witnesses called it a blue glow of doom. Part 4. Legacy retirement. After 2 deaths in under a year, scientists began calling it the Demon Core. Its experiments were halted. The core was eventually melted down and repurposed, never to be tested again. It had taken 2 brilliant lives, not with an explosion, but with silence, light, and invisible waves of death. The Demon Core reminds us that even in victory, humanity plays with forces it barely understands. Until next time, Drifter, stay curious, but tread carefully.